welcome back to my kitchen. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and that like button as well. Today I am making banana muffins and they will be for 6 muffins, and my secret ingredient is mayonnaise, so please stay tuned. So first thing is the flour. Make sure that you sift it a little bit. So I do have 1 cup of flour. So after sifting the 1 cup of flour, I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Half a cup of white sugar. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon sugar. And I had 2 ripe bananas at home. So we're gonna be using this, and make sure that it is mashed. And these are really great if you don't want your bananas to go to waste. Make a nice banana muffin. Okay, we want to stir the dry ingredients in the bowl and my mashed bananas. I do have a half cup of mayonnaise. So you have your eggs and everything in there. And I've tried this before, it is amazing. I know you won't believe me until you see the result, but trust me on this. Okay, so let's give this a stir. So this is what the mixture looks like. So you don't need any water, you don't need anything, and just the mayo. Okay, and then we'll take our 6 cups. Put it in here. And I have my little utensil here. Fill those in. I have the oven at 375, and this is the 6 muffins that we just made, and you can put this in for about 20 minutes until it is golden brown. This is what my banana muffins look like. Once you remove it from the oven after 20 minutes, you let it rest and let it cool. And there you go, very moist banana muffins. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.